So I wanted to get you guys started on this question in your classwork. So a rancher has a roll of fencing to enclose a rectangular area. The table shows how the area of the rancher, that the rancher can enclose with the fencing depends on the width of the rectangle. So two formulas that you're going to need for this: area is length times width for a rectangle, and perimeter is twice the length plus twice the width. So the question is asking you which quadratic equation gives the area, and you have to write it in terms of W. So if you're writing this in terms of W, you need to replace this variable in terms of W. And how you're going to do that is using the perimeter equation. But the first thing you need to do is find the perimeter of the rectangle. So let's take a look at two of the ordered pairs here. So when the width is 10, so I'm going to put 10s here. The area is 900. So we need to find the length here. So if the width is 10, I'm going to use the area formula here. If the width is 10, we still need to find the length, but we know the area is 900. Then we know the length had to have been, well, divide by 10. The length had to have been 90. So that means I need to put 90s here. And if I add all four sides, 90 plus 90 is 180, plus 20 more is 200. So the perimeter is 200. Let's check out the next ordered pair to see if that still holds true. So when the width was 20, so let's plug in a 20 for the width, the area was 1600. So in this scenario, if I divide by 20 to get the length, I get 80. So when the width was 20, the length was 80. What would the perimeter be if you add all four sides? So if you add both 80s, you get 160, and then the 20s make 40. So 160 plus 40 more is still 200. So in fact, you could rewrite perimeter, because we actually have a number for it. So what you're going to need to do in order to find the area with the variable L replaced is you need to solve for L so that you could rewrite the length in terms of the width.